Hello everyone, this is Leah, and today I will be attempting a dupe of a West Elm lantern using only items that I have at home. Stick around and see how I do. Today's video is part of the Look for Less challenge. This challenge is hosted every month by YAMI-The Latina next door. Her channel is all about home decor, DIYs, lifestyle, and more. And Courtney from Creative on the Cheap is her co-host this month. Her channel features DIYs, decorating, budget-friendly home updates, and hauls. Links to both of their channels and the playlist for this challenge are in the descriptions. I really love this nautical looking lantern from West Elm, but I'm not loving the price. $129 is the regular price, $77.40 on sale. Still way out of my budget, so I'm making my own. Theirs is 8 inches square by 20 high. Mine's going to be 6 by 9, 25 high. And I'm using, of all things, this home for spiders that I dug out of the shed that's been in there more years than I can count. I don't even remember if it was a shoe rack or a book rack, a CD holder, VHS holder. I'm not sure. Originally, I thought I would just take it completely apart and use the wood slats to rebuild the lantern, but I decided to use 2 of the shelves. Now I just lined them up face to face, back to back, all depends on how you look at it. And I drilled some pilot holes and put in some screws. And that's what gave me my rectangle shape. Then I took this piece of vinyl flooring, a roadside find when the neighbor updated their flooring, and I cut out 2 pieces, one for the top and one for the bottom. And then I took the top piece outside to give it some spray paint because the original was black on the top. And I also had this little cap that I'm going to put up there. While those are drying, I get to hot gluing some things inside. And one is the bottom of my lantern. I just pop that right on there. And now for the handle. I'm taking some nautical rope and just looping some twine over the end. There we go. I'm back. Now I've got some nylon strapping that I'm going to wrap around all of that and tuck everything in. There we go. Make sure it's secure. No, it's not going to stay camouflage because I'm taking my black apple barrel paint and painting that entire end. Nylon webbing and loops. And that's how it looks hanging on there. I couldn't come up with a good idea, so I just put a screw on there to hang the handle on. Hey, it works. Now I've brought that piece back in that I painted black. And now only thing left to do is pop on that little topper. So I added some hot glue to that and popped it on. So now it is finished and it's time to decorate. There's an overview of the entire lantern. And there it is with some candles in the bottom. And then I added some seashells and this beautiful anchor print scarf. I just tied a knot in it and draped it over the top. And there's a little sailboat. Did you see that pop in? It's right on top of that tallest candle in there. But it still looked kind of blank. It needed something else up top. So I dug into my stash of Dollar Tree items and pulled out some wood cutouts in a nautical theme. There we go. And a grass skirt, because I needed some raffia. So I'm going to use a few pieces of that. And it turned out cute. I just tied a couple of ship's wheels with the raffia and an anchor, and I wrapped it around the finial part of the top. So yeah, I think it looks great. I mean, you can't beat the price. Everything I had was already at the house. There's some close views of that stuff in the bottom. So yeah, I really love it. So West Elm, they're $129. Mine $3. I'll take that discount any day. Thank you so much for watching my video, and I hope you enjoyed it. And please remember to check out the Look for Less playlist. Also, we are very close to the milestone of 1,000 subscribers. If you aren't already subscribed to my channel, I would love to have you join.